I'm at the stage now where I've drilled up the holes, so I got to temporarily put this together, put these parts together, and then including put the helmet together again to make sure that they all line up. Because these are custom made for this particular helmet, so because there wasn't any patterns from 20 years ago, so I had to make new ones to adapt to this helmet here. So that's the back part, and to the front, same thing, just temporarily bolted together. I'll use these holes for leather once we're all done. That's how these will be suspended with leather strips. So yeah, this should work out good. So yeah, my main concern now is because I can cut these away or whatever I want to do, but just to make sure they line up together. So I'm going to put the helmet together again, make sure everything lines up properly, and go from there.